Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to look at Compute Optimizer. So Compute Optimizer is a very useful and cool tool that allows you to look at compute resources in AWS and tell you if they are under-provisioned or over-provisioned. So under-provisioned means that they're being used to their maximum and you need to provision more. You don't have enough of that resource. Over-provision means you've got idle capacity. And specifically, just remember for the exam, it works with EC2 instances, EBS volumes, ECS services on AWS Fargate and Lambda functions. So those four resources it can analyze. And for example, here's an analysis of a specific EC2 instance. So this EC2 instance, you can see that it's actually providing recommendation. It's saying that if you switch to a different EC2 instance type, then you can be saving 6.6 cents per hour. Or you can switch to a different EC2 instance type and save 2.6 cents per hour. So it's seeing that this specific EC2 instance is over provisioned. You don't need such a big EC2 instance for the work that it's doing, and you can save some money on this. So it can help you save costs, but it suggests optimal configurations for you. And remember also for the exam, it uses machine learning to analyze the way your EC2 instances or compute resources are being utilized. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. And until then, enjoy the cloud.